Welcome to Pebble Creek Arts. My name is Trish. I'm very happy to share my artwork with you, as well as tips, techniques, and lessons that I learn along the way. I don't really confine myself to one type of medium. I like to explore and change as inspiration guides me. There are playlists on the channel for each type of medium, so you can easily explore based on your own interests. However, I encourage you to view them all. I'm an accountant, so I work full-time, but I spend as much time as possible making art and videos. If you'll click the subscribe button here and the little bell in the lower right-hand corner, you'll be notified when new videos are published. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest so you can see my works in progress. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.